Let's see how this works. Blind videotaping. And I figure out how to hold the iPod here. Okay, okay, forward. Wonder if he's in the picture. There's a curb coming up. He'll show it to me. Good boy, Jaden. Okay, forward. He knows where we're going. He's gonna show me this other curb. Good boy. You're showing off, huh? Okay. Getting awfully close to the curb, buddy. Okay, hop up. Good boy. It's a really quick little walk, but I thought we'd show you. It's the mail, too. Good boy. Okay, left, left, left. Good boy. Find the door. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Look, we got a video of you. Yeah, we did. We got a video. All right. Let's see how this turned out.